Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy Nicolas Beatmaker. I'm back again with another video. So, guys, I'm going to drop an EP very, very soon. So, expect it anytime. And it's me and my boy Baby Cash OG. So, we're collaborating. And right now, I'm currently trying to mix and master one of the track we did together. So I have FX limiter, FX compressor, Maximus. So people say I don't use FS Studio PC, bro. I'm always here, you know, always here making beats and cooking music. So let me play this track. So this is one of the track on the EP with my boy Baby Cash OG. Yeah. With me, baby, come and dance with me. Dance with me.
Come and dance with me. Dance with me, baby. Come and dance with me.
I don't know if you're
dance with me, baby. Come and dance with me. Trap son, I don't do talking, I'm all about action, baby. And I'm feeling like Rambo, bitch. I keep it sticking the pole. I've been moving too shady. I'm gunning these niggas. I care with the killers. I cannot feel like my trap son. I'ma keep on trying, baby. And I'm never gonna sell my soul. When it up, I be thinking about Rex. When it up, I be drilling with ghosts. I'm a king OG.
compressor.
I'm at the top of the building. I take out my dog and I spray my ops. Snap my fingers, I'm eating enough. Little shot with me, she don't play with nobody. I took a scoop with the G's. She had me down on my knees. I been keeping this chop like a needle. I'm a savage.
Dance with me, baby, come and dance with me. Dance with me. Bro, Baby Cash OG is dope, man. This kid got a bright future, man. Like, bro, shout out to Baby Cash OG. Feel me, baby, come and dance with me. So I don't know which music distributor I have to drop, like with I don't know if I should go for DistroKid or Dito or Amuse. But if you guys have a better music distributor, you can comment and tell me which one I should use to promote in my EP. You know, it's going to be 5 to 6 tracks. So yeah. So expect a lot of content from Nicolas Beatmaker coming very, very soon. So yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Dance with me, baby, come and dance with me. Dance with me, baby, come and dance with me. Dance with me, baby, come and dance with me. So yeah, man, you guys tell me what you think about this track, and if you want to see more videos like this one, this way. But I'll be making beats with FS Studio Mobile, so FS Studio, same thing, bro, same thing. And yeah. Maybe I should play it one more time, but you guys, if you subscribe, then I will break it down. I will make a tutorial on this beat and how I made it. But it's fire, bro. I'm telling you.